Take a look at this GMC at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1971 GMC 1500 Super Custom. 350 V8 underneath the hood with a 4-barrel. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic. 350 to be exact. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front. Fascia, grille, headlight surrounds. Paint on it shows well. You may find a few imperfections here and there in the clear, maybe just a couple little. Really tough to see them though, being pretty fussy. One of those trucks, has some fun. Drive it, local cruise-ins, roll-ins, your local shows. If you want to take your time looking through the still pictures, probably close to 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on American Racing chrome wheels, and take a look around the wheel wells, the lower rockers on this one, cab corners. Looks good. I believe the custom trim level, give you a little nicer trim level in the two-tone paint, has had a retro sound aftermarket, more modern stereo put into it. JBL speakers in the kick panels, sliding rear glass. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up. We'll check out that interior a little bit closer. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And take a look at the rear chrome bumper. It does show a little age just up on the top, but boy, not bad at all. Bright work and trim pieces show well. Nice and straight up and down the passenger side. Tough skin spray-in bed liner. Spare tire mounted in the bed. Some bed rails polished. And again, take your time. You'll be able to see all these angles, everything in the still pictures. You can zoom in, take your time looking at them. uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's check out the driver's side. Lower rockers, real wheel wells. Both looking good. Cab corners. Has had a repaint along the way. And you can see the paint up and down the driver's side also shows well. Let's take a look at this interior. Seat has been reupholstered. Rubber floor mats. Door panels look like they could be original. And take a look at the underside of the doors in the pictures too. Look very good. Again, you can see the seat reupholstered, pretty much free of any rips, tears, holes, much wear at all. Shoulder belts. And very stock looking dash. Again, with the exception of that aftermarket stereo. That is in working order. Let's go ahead and fire this up. It's a nice running truck. Stereo system. Sounds good too in here. Odometer reads 58,097. Once a vehicle becomes a certain age, it does not stay in the title. Title's marked exempt, so it's tough to confirm whether that's original or not. But again, a lot of restoration work done to this as far as paint and upholstery. We'll look under the hood, I'll show you that too. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. A good sounding truck, a little rumble coming out of that 350, nothing crazy. You'll be able to see the undersides and the exhaust and those still pictures I was telling you about. Alright, let me slip up here. I'm going to pop this hood, check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video. Nice and tidy on the underside of the hood. Here we go. Again, 350 V8, power steering, power brakes. Looks like newer brake booster and master cylinder. Four-barrel carb. That heater hose is still hooked up. Just a pretty stock looking engine bay. These pickups get tougher and tougher to find as solid as this one appears to be. 1971 GMC 1500 Super Custom. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Where you can check out all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That'll take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1971 GMC 1500 pickup. This is very nice condition. Blue outside, blue inside. Retro sound radio works well. Blower motor does work. Coolant temperature is about a quarter on the gauge. Might still be rising. Battery's a little over half. Oil pressure is about a third on the gauge. Our fuel tank is showing an 1/8, which may be correct. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but roads are primarily dry. And we wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. This is a very nice truck, good running.